On today's episode of Watch Chair Go, it's late night hours here. It's almost 10 p.m. I'm gonna hop in the Ariel Atom and head down to our midnight drags and hopefully run a 9. Let's go. What is going on, guys? I am Watch Chair Go, and today, like I said, I'm here with my 2011 Ariel Atom, and I'm headed down to the drag strip to hopefully see some big numbers out of this. I'm just excited. I want to know. I want to see that 9. It was running 10s before, so I want to see the 9. Anyway, you guys know the drill. 540 horsepower, PFI speed built, little Garrett turbo, intercooled race car. Mickey Thompson ET Streets on the back, Bridgestone Ecotopias on the front or something like that for a nice lightweight front runner, and it should go. I've never used the 2-step. It's still being broken in. We might launch it on 2-step tonight. It'd be pretty cool. I just don't want to break an axle. Don't want to break an axle. Hopefully it just spins. And we're here at the track. It's a beautiful night. The temperature's perfect. If you guys didn't know, the detail dudes are the tech inspectors here. So I passed. Anyway, it was gonna pass without them. But car's here. Everybody's getting to hang out, check it out. And we're gonna make some passes. Don't kick me out, that's what I meant to tell you. We got Jacob here and O'Reilly's OG. Oh yeah, you were on the channel when we had Cleveland Race. Yeah. So you got your new VMAX.
I do.
How's it? How's VMAX life?
It's insane, and you should totally get one.
The Japanese muscle life. So I'm a VMAX 2. This one's cool, but I really want a Gen 2, you know?
Yeah. The Gen 2s are where it's at. That's where you go to 1700 on them.
The gauge cluster is so cool. I love it.
It's everything. It's everything.
Put it in neutral for me. Just it's in first, I think. So just pull back on the shifter a little bit.
So just pull back?
Yeah, just one click. It should be easy. There you go. Okay. It's too much of a nightmare to start and drive, so I just push it.
Well, and it's real hard to push.
I know, right? So some subscribers have talked about trying to put this race together already. This is Tim.
Hello.
What's up, man?
What's up, man?
So this is his DF Goblin, and I love the way it looks with the green powder coat, carbon fiber wrapped hood. It's just a great look. And you're on the Ecotech. Oh, big water to air intercooler. That's cool.
Yep.
I do like it. Really clean. Our turbos even line up.
I don't want to talk about it.
You don't want to talk?
I don't want to talk about it.
How's it going? How's this Mustang?
All right, so I suck. Let's just keep it at that. 13.3 is the best time I got so far.
Even on
Yes, yeah.
No.
Yeah, I don't want to talk about it. I give up.
I was like, I won't mention that. Yeah. Tim and I got our race lined up. We are 4 cars back right now, but this should be pretty fun. You've been running all night, so you have the advantage.
I'm at the 3 and I missed third gear twice.
Oh,
so
man.
I've only got one good run.
All right. Hopefully we get some good video from the starting line. I can't wait. I just want to drive it. It's nice outside. All right, we're getting up there with Tim. We're still lined up. I'm going around the water box, and we're just going to send it like real easy. I'll try to do my half-mile thing where I just pace whoever's beside me. We'll see how it goes. fast it was. We are at the slip house. Oh, I was babying it. I've never drag raced it before. What was it? 11-1?
I think so.
I still won? How? Look! It's an 11-1! It's an 11-1, the first pass ever! That is ridiculous! I did not think I won. That light you cut was so good! I was like, guarantee he red lit, I got this. And then it was green, I was like, I guess I better drive. Like, dang. What was your reaction? Like 0? What was your reaction? 087. Dude, 087 is a nasty reaction. That's dope.
I know 6.2 earlier.
I was sleeping with that half second.
We gotta go do this.
Yeah, I seen him take off and he was still sitting there. I was like, well, he slept.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I was like, I'm gonna baby it through first, and then
I was like, dude, that guy got no traction out of the hole, but I didn't know he was babying it. I saw him fucking coming in my side view mirror. I was like, no.
So I wanted to run like a 12 to kick it off, and then you were gone so hard, I was like, screw it! Like, we're going.
It's racing, it doesn't.
You was flying up. I bet if it was the same time launch, you'd leave him.
It should run a 9 and like a mid-9, I'm hoping.
Yeah.
So I'm ready to go hit it again. And I might get on the 2-step and send it, we'll see.
Yeah.
But I'm scared. I don't want to break this axle.
Yeah, dude, that's the fastest of the night, but it looks a little squirrely.
It's squirrely.
It looks like
It moves around on the track. First pass ever in the car, 11-1. I don't know if I got it on camera the first time, but 11-1 at 138, and it was just coming on like a freight train, out of control. I could not be happy, mind blown, could not be happy. Better? 10-3. Oh, well, I still can't drive it. Don't worry about that. 10-3-3 at 135. That's the same mile an hour. That means I've got some big passes left. Big passes left. Where's my 99999? We're going back. There's no practice runs or anything crazy in there. That's a 10-3 on the second pass. Yeah, buddy. Now my AFR is 20 at idle. This is kind of legit scary. I hope it's not making power because it's lean for some reason, but I doubt that's the case. As soon as that guy's stage light dropped, I got in the throttle, it staged on the 2-step, and I just dumped the clutch and let it eat. And the AFR looked great. I had time to look down. It wasn't skating that time. I think I got heat in the tires. I don't know. Better?
It's a win, Megan.
It's a win. 10-7 at 128. I think it's because I spun for like 3 days. It's still a win. Not a good win though. The other guy went 10-1 at the end. The peer pressure gets you every time. I guess we're doing a burnout this time. I'm gonna go around the water box. They're gonna back me up into it and we're gonna blow the tires off. And then hopefully we get that 999. It was so close before. I thought that last pass was it. Wideband's still freaking me out. 20s at idle. Seems like a bad deal. It's almost my truck. Twin turbo LS and an old F100. Super sick. Terrible, even worse. Well, I think that's it. I'm worried about the AFRs, and of course that one was just weird. I didn't stay in the boost. I like came out of the boost and got back in it. It was not good, but it ran a 12.4, 124. I was still getting the mile an hour out of it, but it was just really slow. Andy, our super trade's gonna have to wait.
It's gonna have to wait.
I broke it.
I saw you bumped out of the launch.
Dude,
what happened?
It broke big. I thought it was all there, but I'll show you though.
Is it broke?
It's broke.
Oh no.
I can drive it home. Okay. So 2 runs ago, I went down from a 10.3 to a 10.7, and I felt like it was a bit better run. It turns out I'd heard a little change out of the engine. I was like, can't be that bad. This last run, of course, we went 12.4, so I got out, we did a little investigating. And if we look right down there, we'll fire up the light.
So, do I run the CRV or the land?
Look right beside the turbo flange. There's a gigantic hole. And on the wastegate, where the wastegate connects, and down there at the bottom of the wastegate, there's a gigantic hole. Color on this Range Rover, every time I see this driving around town, it's like a factory color flip, and it's so sick. Oh, they just put it in sport. Well, the Atom has a great track record so far of breaking every 4th pass. 4 passes. This one, it actually broke on the 3rd, so that's fine. But she is very broke, and it's actually really apparent if you bump the wastegate tube. The whole exhaust is just really junk. So before that was at least sort of sturdy, but it should be like tied back to the exhaust, but this is all just really poorly done. Even Chong, the old owner, said he didn't like the way this was hung. It ends up just putting a ton of stress on the exhaust manifold the way it is. So we could possibly even weld it back together, but like there's a lot of metal missing. And Brent called me already. I was like, yeah, 10.3 sounds cool, but you're probably gonna need to have a manifold built or, you know, get a new off the shelf one and tie the wastegate back. So we'll see. We'll come up with a plot. For now, I guess I'm driving home. No boost. That was a lot of fun though. Tim and I had a lot of fun. He was like, thanks, it was a blast. Neither one of us ever thought we'd get that race put together, and it just happened just like that. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more Atom content, I guess, while I fix the exhaust. And that is it for today, guys. Don't forget to head on over to shop.watchjargon.com where you get cool shirts just like this. And please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. And I will talk to you next time. I made it home. Actually, a pretty nice day at the track. The weather was obviously perfect, and we ran low tens, and it was so close to the 999. Maybe next time, once we get a new manifold. And honestly, I mean, it's not like I lost out. What I got instead of a 999 was actually just an extra wastegate. I just saw it. Oh yeah, look at that. There it is. Now you can see the problem with the manifold. It's just so poorly built. You can see the other huge crack there, and that's why it's just like dancing down the road. Oh well, we'll get a new one, and put this thing back together. This one did work, and it worked for a very, very, very long time. It really just needs something to tie that wastegate pipe and the exhaust together. Just like a little stick welded between them would have been fine. But, oh well, it was a good night.